Hello and welcome to a second day on as a guest designer for a week for Peachy stamps. This is Linda from my Quilling Nest, and today I'm going to give you a short tutorial and also show you a project I made using the Peachy Happy Bird die cut and the Super Crescent tag from Sizzix. For my tags, what I like to do is I like to make them sturdy. So I use plain chipboard, which I cover before I cut my design. And how I cover this chipboard is by using Mod Podge, okay, and a sponge brush. And we're gonna do just simply put some Mod Podge on it, cover the piece of like this. Then you're going to cover one side with the paper of your choice. Okay, turn it over and you're going to do the same procedure in the back. Like this. I guess you can also use plain regular glue for this, but I kind of like the Mod Podge. Holds very well. And then once you have this prepared, just smooth it out and then run it through your die cutting machine with your die cut, and this is how it looks after it has been die cutted. Okay, you can make cute tags just like this one I made using the little bird and some quilling on it, and I'm gonna show you another one that we can do real quickly here. I have my pieces already, my quilt pieces, okay, and I die cut my little birdie. For this, we're going to take a little swirl, put a dab of glue. Try not to put too much glue because you don't want your work to look messy. Then I'm going to place it at the bottom like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take my little flowers. This flower I used the marquee shape. I glue 3 of them together to make the little flower. Put some glue in the back and then place it wherever you like. I want to place it down here. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I made 2 of these. Place it right over here. Since you have to press a little harder for it to glue. There we go. And then I'm going to take my little birdie. I already have some pop dots in the back. I'm going to place it right over here like this. And then I made clouds by using circles of different sizes. I'm going to glue them up here like this. The other one. And there you have a fun and easy tag. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for tomorrow, day 3 of guest designer at Peachy Stamps.